I was able to finally get in shape after my second daughter, but I failed miserably trying to do the same thing after my first. I felt horrible when I looked in the mirror. I tried different workouts, diets, programs, and nothing seemed to work. Or I just didn't have the time. As a busy mama, I thought it was going to be impossible to get fit until I started doing Focus 20 workouts. In this video, I'm going to tell you why Focus 20 workouts are so powerful and 3 steps you can take to get started today. And if you want more info about my Fit Mama Squad program, then click on the link below. 20 minutes might be the most powerful time you spend all day. Before I figured this out, I wasted so much time thinking workouts had to be long to be effective. But guess what? 60-minute gym sessions don't work when your toddler is climbing on the walls. Marathon cardio doesn't help when your to-do list is endless. And trying to fit it in later often means it'll never happen at all. What we need is fast and focus. And that's exactly what Focus 20 is all about. Here's why these workouts are so effective, even though they're short. Number 1, high intensity interval training. In 20 minutes, you can spike your heart rate, push your body, and burn fat long after your workout is even over. Thanks to the afterburn effect. It's not about working longer. It's about working smarter and getting your heart pumping fast. Number 2, muscle group focus. Instead of doing random moves, we zero in on one area at a time, like arms, core, glutes, legs. This helps you actually build and tone muscle, not just burn calories. Fat burning and muscle building equal body transformation. That's why Focus 20 works. You're not just moving, you're progressing. Imagine this, you just drop the kids off or they're napping. You grab a mat, press play, and 20 minutes, you've burned serious calories. You've strengthened and toned your muscles. You're done and back to mom life, feeling energized and proud. No driving, no gym, no excuses. That's why I love these workouts. They meet you exactly where you are. So how can you make this work for you starting today? Choose your 20-minute block. Morning, nap, bedtime, whatever works. Step 2, pick your focus. Do you want to tone your arms, tighten your core, burn fat, full body? Focus 20 has workouts for each goal. Press play and commit. Give it your all for 20 minutes, knowing this time is 100% for you. And if you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start seeing real changes, check out my Fit Mama Squad community. Designed for busy moms who want quick, effective results without sacrificing mommy time. Click the link below and let's get started on your journey to feeling strong, confident, and energized again.